Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss divi multi-select option. So for example, if you want to change designing for the multiple modules in divi WordPress website, how you can do that? So let's edit one of the page with divi visual builder. Here you can see divi builder is loading, and after that now we can add a new section. Just click here on plus, and after that now we can add 2-column row, and here we can add text module. Whatever module you want to add, you can add that. Just we can duplicate and after that add here. Now here you can see these are two modules in one section. Now press Ctrl and select the module. Here you can see we have selected two modules. So now click on the setting option, then go to design. After that click here text. Now if we increase text size, here you can see text size option. So it will work for both modules at real time. In this way you can easily edit multiple modules in real time with divi multi-select option. After that click yes, then here you can see 3 dots. After that click here save. So this is the way to use multi-select option in divi WordPress website.